I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by exporting contacts from Android so you can import them to iPhone. On Android, open Contacts, choose Export, and create a VCF file. Save it locally or upload to Google Drive so you can access it on the iPhone. Once done, make sure both phones have power and Wi-Fi connected. You will need your Apple ID and iPhone passcode ready. This saves time and avoids accounts problems later because a single VCF file preserves names, numbers, and most labels. Now transfer the VCF file to your iPhone using the fastest method available. AirDrop if both devices support it, email the file to yourself, or open it from iCloud Drive or the Files app. When you tap the VCF, the Contacts app prompts you to add all contacts, agree, and watch the import proceed. Make sure your default contacts account on the iPhone is set to iCloud if you want ongoing sync. Go to Settings Contacts Default Account to avoid imports landing in an undesired local or Gmail account. Finish by reviewing imported contacts. Open contacts, scan for duplicates, incomplete entries, and missing labels, then edit or merge as needed. If some contacts didn't import, sign out and back into iCloud or re-export the VCF and import in smaller batches to avoid file corruption. Make sure iCloud Contacts is enabled so future changes back up automatically. This both secures your list and keeps updates across devices. If problems persist, recheck the VCF on Android for non-standard characters or excessive attachments and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.